Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then you just have to hold down combination power key and volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down, and screenshot will be taken. You can also take screenshot by just holding power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you have this button screenshot, and it works the same way. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots section here, and from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.